Hey, what's up you guys? I'm Sarah Schroff and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on my keyboard, which is a Casio CTK 7200. Now, Casio makes a lot of great keyboards, so it was a really hard decision on what we wanted to get. Tim got me this for my birthday last year, so if you're looking to get a keyboard, the Casio series is a great series to go with. Now, they make a lot of different keyboards, as I said, so there's different sizes. Different keyboards come with different attributes and options, so you have to decide if you're looking to just play music just out of a book, or if you're looking to create your own music. Then you would want to go with more of a keyboard like this that has a lot of more attributes and functions to actually create sounds and create beats and things like that to make your own music. So let's take a look at it. So as you can see, I've got the keyboard, comes with a stand. You've also got a backrest for your music, so that you can lay your books and sheet music on that. Then we've got speakers on each side of it here. And the keyboard, as you can see, has stickers on it right now. Now, it did not come with the stickers on it. This was a used keyboard, but we added the stickers to it because Tim doesn't know how to play keyboard yet, and he was looking to learn, so we added the stickers to that. So if you're learning to play keyboard, that's another option you can go with, is get some stickers to help you learn. But for this keyboard, they do not come with the stickers. Also, I got the 5-octave keyboard, so it's a fairly large keyboard. It gives me a good range. So we can go ahead and turn it on here. You can see the screen lights up. Now, the first thing is you can check out the sounds. So it defaults to piano. You can control the volume here. So we've got piano, electric piano, organ, guitar, strings, brass, all kinds of different options. And in each option, there's different tones that you can choose from, and you just use this little slider button right here to choose different tones. So you can hear some difference in some of the tones. So you have literally hundreds of different sounds and tones that you can choose from on this keyboard, which is absolutely amazing. I love that. And you can also split your keyboard. There's a function for that. So your lower keys can play a different sound than your upper registers. So you can have two different sounds playing at the same time, which is really cool. Also there's layering, so you can layer sounds. We've also got beats over here on this side, so we can play some of those. And then you can mess with the tempo, so you can make it faster or slower. So you can hear it really slowed down now. There's world music or world beats. And again, it's just like the tones on the other side. You can scroll through and pick different rhythms and beats that you can use to put down a bass layer when you're creating music. And right here you have a bank of keys where you can set to memory different beats or different melodies that you record. There is an SD card slot on the back, so if you are making your own music, you can go ahead and save that to an SD card, which is really nice. I gotta get an SD card yet so I can start creating my own music. But this keyboard gives you a ton of options if you're looking to get into making your own music. It's got the beats, it's got, different tones, literally. I don't know how many tones there is. There's probably close to 700 tones on here, which is amazing. There's tons of different sounds. It's really cool. I love it. So then these buttons right here deal with recording and creating your music. So that's what that area is. We've got pitch blend over here on the side. So if I put it up higher so you can hear it. So that's kind of funky. 'Cause, 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 Kind of moves the octaves a little bit, which is cool. But I have put in a lot of time on this keyboard. It's nothing like, you know, super big. It doesn't take up your entire room. It's nice, it's compact, it's easy to take places if you want to move it. There's literally just one cord that plugs into the outlet, and then you can add a microphone if you want to add vocals. You can plug in headphones to it, so if you don't want to be loud around the house, you can plug in your headphones and just play the music through your headphones. Don't have to be bugging everyone else. Other than that, I really love this keyboard. I love all the options it gives you for the different tones, the different music. I love all the options that it gives you to create your own music. I want to get into that really badly, so I'm trying to learn more of the ways to do that on this specific keyboard. And again, there's different keyboards for whatever you're looking for. So if you just want something for playing music and not necessarily creating anything, you can do that. You can get a smaller keyboard or a cheaper Casio keyboard that is still really great quality and will give you really nice sounds, but it won't have as many tones or the recording stuff or things like that. But this keyboard overall is a great keyboard. I haven't really found any negatives about this keyboard yet. I love that it's very movable. You can transport it places. It's super light. I love all the tones, and I love that you can actually create your own music on it. So this, I believe, is about $350 new, I want to say. We did get it used, so you can find Casio products a little bit cheaper if you get them used. This one was in great condition. There wasn't anything wrong with it. The person just didn't want it anymore. So we actually got a really good deal on it, and it's a great keyboard. I love it. So I would definitely suggest Casio products if you're looking to get into music and keyboard stuff. So that is my review for the day for the Casio CTK 7200. I would give it probably 2 thumbs up. Like I said, I haven't really found anything wrong with it, so it's definitely a great keyboard. I would get it again if I had the opportunity to get a different one. I'd probably stick with the Casio. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this product review, and hopefully you found it helpful. As always, be kind and be yourself. Have a great day.